In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock layers in PowerPoint 2021 and Microsoft 365. Whether you're working on a detailed design or just want to keep certain elements from accidentally moving, locking layers can be a real game changer. It helps protect your layout and keeps your slides perfectly organized. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation you want to work with. This can be a project you're already working on or a brand new presentation. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the window. Here, look toward the right side of the toolbar and click on Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Selection Pane. Once the selection pane appears on the right side of your screen, you'll see a list of all the objects currently on your slide, like images, text boxes, shapes, and icons. This list represents your layers. Now, to lock a specific layer, simply click the lock icon next to that object's name. Once you click it, the icon will change to show it's locked. That means you won't be able to move, resize, or accidentally edit that object until it's unlocked again. If you ever need to make changes, it's just as easy to unlock. Click the lock icon once more, and the layer will be editable again. Locking layers is especially useful when you're designing complex slides, working with multiple elements, or collaborating with others. It ensures that your layout stays consistent and that important objects stay right where they belong. And that's it. You've now learned how to lock and unlock layers in PowerPoint 2021 and 365. Use this feature to keep your presentations neat, professional, and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips.